In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys the major things you need to know as far as CapCut is concerned, starting from putting text behind just like this and how to put movie in text as displayed on the screen. And also how to track an object in a clip, just like this, and so many other cool CapCut tricks that will blow your mind. As you continue watching, let's proceed into the tutorial. Click on New Project. Now select the clip you want to use. Now add text by clicking on Text here. Then add text. After adding text, you can edit to whichever way you want. You can change the font here to make the text bold. You can edit your text to your preference here. Make it bold by zooming in with your finger on the screen. When done editing your text, click here to proceed. Here, you will want to adjust the text to match the duration of the clip, like this. Then we will export this particular clip, here. We will import this video clip in a new project, and use overlay. Let me show you how you can do that. You will want to click on Overlay here. Then click on Add Overlay. We will then select the original clip with no text. Resize the clip to fit the frame. You will want to click on Cutout here, then click on Remove Background. Here. Wait a little bit for it to process.
There you go. Boom. You have your text behind.
Now let us move to the next editing tip, which is tracking. Tracking is really a cool feature. You can use it to track you face your hands and other object in the video you want to track. Click on the CapCut watermark and hit delete to erase the watermark from the clip. Click on stickers right here to select the sticker of your choice. Place the sticker on wherever you want to track in the video. We would want to place the sticker on her head. You can pinch with your finger to zoom and resize the sticker. Click here to add it to the clip. Then you will click on Tracking right here. You can resize the yellow circle using this and this. Then you will need place it on wherever you want to track, as it would determine the point of tracking in the video. After placing it on where we want to track, which is her head, we can now click on Start Tracking right here. Wait for it to process. And there you have it. You can now see that the text follows her, even as she runs. It's as simple as that. Now we would want to proceed to the next editing tip, which is adding video in text, and this is what video in text looks like. Now this is how you can do it. Tap on New Project. Click on Stock Videos right here. Next, we would want to click on Text here, then tap Add Text to input your text. You can edit your text to your taste here, starting from changing the font, style, and even color. Here. Let us use yellow for the text. We will export this particular clip. We will then import the video we want to put inside of the text. We will then overlay our text on the video, the edited clip. Click on Overlay, and then tap on Add Overlay. Select the edited clip. Resize it with your finger. What we will do here is to remove the yellow portion of the text. Click on Cut Out, and then tap on Chroma key right here. Now we will use the circle to select the part of the text we want to cut out, which is the yellow. Next, tap on Intensity. Use this little circle to increase it by dragging it. There you have it. Boom! You might want to add keyframe to enable us zoom right into the video. We will add keyframe here by clicking on this. And add another one here. After adding the keyframe, we will zoom through one of the letter using your finger. Like this. There you have it. Now we will play the video to see what it gives us. Cool, right? Now let us move to the last editing tip for this tutorial, which is how you can put white border around your video in a circle just as displayed on the screen. We are going to use Canva to make a green screen. Click on Presentation here. Tap on the plus sign right here. Now you have your presentation. Click on Color here. We will select color green. We will click here. Then select circle. You can resize with your finger. After resizing, we will then change the color of the circle to white. We will have to use perfect white to get a good and better result. We are going to remove the green part using Chroma key in CapCut. In CapCut, click on Overlay. Import it to CapCut. Resize it to fit the frame. This is where we remove the green part using Chroma key. Click on Cutout, then tap on Chroma key. Place the circle on the green area. We will increase intensity here. There you go. We have our circle now. Next, click on Overlay. Here. Now add overlay of the video you want to use. We will now move the video down a bit to this corner where our white circle is. Using your finger. Next, we will want to click on masking right here. Click on circle. Then you will use this and this to make adjustment to video inside the white circle. There you go. You now have your video inside the white border. Like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more contents like this. Note, I'm replying to all comments. If there is anything you don't understand, I'm here to put you through.